Hello, how is everyone today? Today we're going to do one of our freezer meal workshop meals. We're doing smoky black bean chicken wraps. So I've thawed out my bag and took them each out. This bag we have chicken, black beans, seasoning, and whatever else we put in there. We are going to add that. First bag, there was the chicken and stuff. And you forget what you put in them. And half a cup of water. And we're going to cook that over medium for 6 to 8 minutes until it's hot. We're going to break it up as we go with other. Where did we go? Our mix and chop spatula. We're going to use that. Got the holes, so if we need to drain, we can drain. The chicken is pre-cooked, so does not have to be cooked all the way through it again. So there. Once that is up to temperature, we are going to add our bag of pre-cooked rice, which also has the smoky barbecue seasoning in it. Spot there that's not broke up. Squeeze it and break it all up. Okay, and then when we're ready, we're going to grab our tortillas out of the fridge and divide shredded cheddar cheese, or whatever cheese you like. I actually like Colby Jack. And top with chicken and any other ingredients you want to throw on there. Lettuce, tomato, sour cream, whatever, taco sauce. So, okay, roll it up tightly and cut in half. So, all right.